Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. Off into the woods again. Just have a little day camp. I got a new little stool to try out. This video is going to be one of those. Haven't uploaded a video in a while, so I'm just going to upload this one even though I'm not going to be doing much. I'm just going to be setting up a shelter, have something to eat and try out the new stool. Thought I'd do a video just because, like I say, haven't uploaded a video in a while. Not an outdoorsy type one, mostly just the EDC ones. So just to spice things up a bit, thought I would upload this one. So I haven't got a tripod with us because I'm underprepared. But whatever. So I'll get to the spot, set up a shelter. I'm not going anywhere new, just going to the old spot I usually go to. Just going to relax, so like I say, I wasn't really planning on making a video. But anyway, I'll shut up and get to the spot. So that's the top up. Got it set low at waist height. Not going to be using a hammock or anything. Just going to be sitting under it and trying out that stool. Looks like we're going to get some heavy rain as well. Or at least some heavy showers. Hopefully won't be getting any thunder or lightning storms because not exactly a good place to be for lightning strikes. Got the 511. All has its prime as well. In the last EDC video I said I lost me keys. But the problem is I always carry them in the... I always usually use the 511 Rush. Not the Rush, the 511... I forgot the name of it now. The small sling pack, the rapid sling, but I found them in here, attached to that. From the last time I was at the woods. It's a problem with changing bags all the time, sometimes I forget to take things out. Anyway, so here's my new stool. It's GLS Camping and Leisure. Chinese company. Doesn't look like it's going to hold up that well, but time will tell. And that's it. Simple as that. Aluminium, so it's real light. I think it's Cordura fabric for the seat. It is branded though, so my only worry is how thin those nuts are right there. But I only paid like £3 for it, so I'm not going to complain. And that's my little day camp setup for today. Nothing fancy. I just want to get away from people for a little bit and come to the woods. So here I am. So I'll try this out. So far so good. Still need to get around to getting a new top. This one's old. It's like 16 years old. I sprayed it down with Fab Seal though and it's holding up well. Leaks a little bit under the seam though, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, I'll get the food on. So for today, got the Polish mess kit. I'm trying some duck flavoured noodles. So we'll give these a go, never had these before. And just using the Lixoda titanium stove and the Pathfinder stove. And always use the Turner and Grey methylated spirits. Seems to be the only methylated spirits shops in my area sell, so that's all I use. Never had any issues with it lighting up or anything. Even in winter it's been pretty good. Anyway, get on with it. Doesn't matter if you spill any, as long as it goes into the well. The well's actually there to help you anyway. Don't need to wait for it to prime. Waiting for it to prime is just a waste of fuel. Should be enough. So a while ago I did a video on the stove and somebody says they wouldn't get this type of stove because you can't extinguish the flame, you've got to let it burn out because it doesn't have like those caps that the Trangia ones have. So here's a tip: get a ball of grass, hold it down for a few seconds and it's out. And you get a leaf, roll it into like a funnel if you haven't brought one with you, and just tip the excess back into the bottle. Job's a good one. So that's them done. Doesn't look very appetizing, but smells pretty good. So that's that gone. Now I'm going to sit here and do nothing for a while. Stool's holding up good. Been here for about an hour and a half. No signs of any creaking or breaking or anything. So far so good. So that's it for this video. Nothing much happening. Just thought I would get a quick video out. So I've got nothing else to say. So thanks for watching. Dewa matne arigato. Nas Fredania. Auf Wiedersehen. Harvard. Bye bye.